BitnappingTV.
Hi and welcome to BitnappingTV. My name is Bastian, and again we have prepared something sweet, nice, and great for you. This is from my colleague Achim. He pointed me to that. It's an application called RCDefaultApp. So what does RCDefaultApp do? Well, maybe you know that you opening a file and it opens with a certain application. You press Command I on the app and you see open with is preview. Well, you can change that if you want to something else and change all. But well, it is a tedious way, and it just you can just well, change it for files you see there. This is where RCDefaultApp comes in. You'll find it at rubycode.com, and it's a pref pane. And after downloading and installing it, you'll find it in your preferences. I'm loading RCDefaultApp, and it does way more than just assigning files. So at first you can choose your standard web browser, your standard email client, the news reader, the FTP client, and so on and so on. This is the first pretty cool thing. Next is media. You can set up what happens if you, for example, connect your digital camera. Should, for example, iPhoto open or Aperture or something completely different, and you can do that with different media, like CDs, for example. Next thing is apps. It's going to load all the apps, and now you can say what does, for example, 1Password do. Well, it is responsible for specific URLs, like the 1Password : / you know what I mean, and it's responsible for file extension like Agile Keychain. Okay, this is a nice information so far. Next thing is URLs. This is what we just said. The where do we have it? I don't find it. Well, whatever. Like for example, feed : / is handled by Safari. Next thing, and this is the thing I'm looking for, is extensions. So we just had a JPEG before, so we're going for JPEG. JPEG. There it is. And we once again see it opens with preview. And now I can, of course, change that to, for example, Acorn. Isn't that great? And you can do that with any file extension. UTIs are not important anymore for Snow Leopard because Apple dropped UTI support. So if you're using Snow Leopard, just forget about it. Well, you can also set MIME types. This is something different. Again, if you know what MIME types are, good. Use RCDefaultApp. If you don't, just don't even care about it. Same thing goes for file types. Okay, now I change JPEG, as you remember. I go, and I double click the wallpaper, and it asks me to open Acorn. I want to open Acorn, and it changed it for all JPEGs. Isn't that great? I think it is. And it's even better, it's free, and we have an Acorn update. Great. So, thanks for watching, and if you, well, want to see what we do on the internet, go to our website. It's www.bitnapping.tv. You can submit tips there and subscribe to the feed, or just look at our faces, whoever wants to do that. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Submit your tips and questions at www.bitnapping.tv.